Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Vostro. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Vostro charging jack only works at a certain angle, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to wear and tear on the internal components, such as the charging port itself or the solder joints on the motherboard. If left unattended, it can lead to further damage, making charging your device increasingly difficult and potentially leading to a complete failure of the charging system. To repair this issue, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, some tweezers, and a replacement charging jack compatible with your Dell Vostro model. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Begin by carefully using the plastic opening tool to pry open the laptop casing. Start at the edges to avoid damaging the clips that hold it together. Once you've opened it, locate the charging jack, which is generally attached to the motherboard. You may need to remove some screws that secure it in place. Use the appropriate screwdriver for this, applying gentle force to avoid stripping the screws. After removing the screws, gently pull the charging jack away from the motherboard. If it's stuck, check for any additional cables or connectors that might be holding it in place and disconnect them carefully. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old charging jack is removed, take the new one and position it in place. Make sure it aligns perfectly with the screw holes and any connectors. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, applying just enough force to keep it in place without damaging anything. Reconnect any cables you may have disconnected earlier, ensuring they are properly seated. Before closing the laptop, it's wise to test the new charging jack by temporarily powering on the device and checking if it charges correctly. If everything seems to be working, proceed to close the laptop. Align the casing carefully, pressing down gently around the edges until you hear the clips click back into place. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, be mindful of how you handle your charging cable. Avoid yanking it or bending it at sharp angles, as this can cause wear on the internal components. Additionally, try to keep the charging port clean and free from debris. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.